The superhero's sidekick often plays second fiddle to the superhero. However, the superhero's props maker is almost never, ever thought about. In the studio, we take a Luddite view on lettering, hand-drawn only. The jigsaw must always be respected. Failure to respect the jigsaw may result in loss of fingers, or worse still, a bad cut. When painting, preparation is the key to success. That's it all masked off, ready to go. Well, here's the moment of truth. Yes. Not really dry, but I'm impatient. Spray paint must always be left to dry before removing the stencil. However, like time, crime waits for no man. Yes! Pow! Strong black outlines give the lettering punch, putting fear into the minds of criminals and security into the minds of God-fearing townsfolk.
What's that? Never fear, citizens.